here's my secret to help me crush cravings. This DIY roll-on is your new secret weapon. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, where we love teaching you how easy it can be to make your own natural products at home. Today we're making the Crave Control Roll-On. It's a citrusy, uplifting blend that gives your willpower a little extra help when you need it most. And guess what? Everything you need for this recipe comes in this month's DIY Bath and Spa recipe box. And when you subscribe, you will get a brand new theme box every single month, plus a free big bonus box with all the tools and oils you need to keep creating. And if you are not quite ready to subscribe, no worries. You can grab everything individually at simplyearth.com. Store-bought roll-ons often hide synthetic fragrances under the natural labels. With this one, you know exactly what you're putting on your skin, and that's important. Pure essential oils and nourishing coconut oil, that's it. How awesome. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make Crave Control Roll-On together. So here's what you're gonna need. From your box, you're gonna need 3 drops of Peace and Quiet. It promotes calm and emotional balance. 3 drops of lime essential oil. It's energizing and refreshes your senses. A 10 ml amber glass roll-on bottle, perfect for taking your blend on the go. 2 drops of coriander essential oil, which brings a sweet, spicy boost to willpower and mental clarity. And 10 ml of fractionated coconut oil. This is a lightweight carrier oil that's great for your skin. And 1 drop bug fighter essential oil blend. It is also energizing to your senses. So come make the recipe with me. First, start by removing the roller cap from your 10 ml amber glass roll-on bottle. Next, add 3 drops of Peace and Quiet and 3 drops of lime essential oil, 2 drops of coriander, and 1 drop bug fighter essential oil. Next step, fill the rest of the bottle with fractionated coconut oil. And then lastly, pop the roller top back on and gently swirl to mix everything together. So let's label it so you can grab it anytime that cravings hit. Ah, fresh, citrusy, and exactly what I need when I'm craving a little extra something. And if I can make this Crave Control Roll-On, you definitely can too.
So now it's your turn. When you make this recipe, take a photo, share it with #IMadeThis, tagging from Simply Earth for a chance to win a $100 gift card and be featured.
Want to create your own natural blends like this? Well then grab your DIY Bath and Spa recipe box from Simply Earth today. If you're loving these simple, natural recipes, and I'm sure you are, subscribe and check out even more DIY ideas coming up next. Thank you for watching.